Hello, friends. This is Himali Vaikar, and it's so good to connect with you again. So, a question that I often am asked by a lot of people is positive thinking. Why does it not work? I mean, I've been thinking positively, but somehow those things which I really want in my life do not manifest. What is the reason for that? Uh, so, to help you understand this, being a teacher, I cannot think of an example as better as this. Say, for example, as a student, I have not performed well in my examinations, my marks are really poor. And I decide I've got to do something about it. I've got to really work towards improving my grades. So I'm all, power packed after the PTM meeting. I'm all power packed that no, I'm going to, improve my scores and get there. And I begin working. Day one, oh, I've been working 2 hours. Day two, another, 1.5 hours. Day three, it comes to 1 hour. Day four, I really don't want to work on it anymore. I've been studying. I think that's enough. Day five, day six, on and on and on it goes until right before the examination I go back to all of that I had learned, in the hopes that 20 days, 25 days back I had studied all of this, so I ought to remember it. And when I open all my work, that particular subject, I realize that I don't remember any of it, and I have to redo everything. And what do you think my score is going to be like after the test? Obviously poor, right? So I have been working on days 1, 2, 3, 4 and then not doing anything about it. Will it show me the results? Certainly not. Likewise, the two most important things that we need to keep in mind while working with positive affirmations, while developing a positive attitude towards life, are consistency and repetition. Both of these are absolutely essential towards you developing. See, what happens is, if I am using a certain positive affirmation, I believe in myself, I love myself, I am totally confident of my capabilities. So when I have this thought and I'm projecting it time and again, it is only after a certain period that it starts sinking into my mind. I begin actually believing it. And that is the time when it will integrate into my personality and start reflecting in my behavior, in my interaction with others, etc. So in order to let any new pattern, belief pattern, thought pattern, attitude become a part of you, it is absolutely important for you to be consistent with your practice and to repeat it as many times as you can. So I hope this message brings you some good, and I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear your views, your thoughts, your ideas on this topic. And see you until then. Bye-bye.